Phosphorus or powder, as one of the core raw materials for the manufacture of yellow phosphorus, is undoubtedly of significant importance. However, due to its excessively small particle size, it cannot directly meet the process requirements. Therefore, it is necessary to rely on the unique properties of binders to form dense briquettes. The cold-pressed phosphorus or powder briquettes can be used to replace block ores and directly put into an electric furnace for high-temperature smelting. In the high-temperature environment of the electric furnace, the phosphorus or powder undergoes precise chemical reactions, releasing pure phosphorus elements, and then transforming into high-quality yellow phosphorus. Jianjie phosphorus or powder air-dried binder can achieve the required strength for furnace input after natural stacking for 2 days. The dry strength after cooling can resist a pressure of 130 kilograms, and under high temperatures ranging from 500 degrees Celsius to 800 degrees Celsius, the pressed briquettes can resist a pressure of over 80 kilograms. The cold-pressed briquettes with Jianjie binder can replace up to 80% or more of phosphorus or blocks.